Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So before we begin, I want to give a quick shout out to Pamela Alexander. Hey girl, you were the first to comment on my last video. So really quickly, I'm showing you guys my short almond full soft gel nail covers. I do sell these in my Etsy shop if you guys are interested. I have a link down below. So all I'm doing is taking these and I'm sizing them out to my nails before we begin doing the polygel application. And this is super easy. Using soft gel full nail covers are the best in my opinion because you get the perfect shape every single time. And soft gel works best with polygel compared to ABS plastic. So like I said, if you're interested, I do sell these along with various other shapes in my Etsy shop. My extra short square ones are on pre-order, but they are coming in earlier than October 9th now, so that's awesome. I'm going in now with some alcohol and I'm using that as my slip solution. And I'm just going to use this in a little glass heart that I always use. And for my polygel today, I'm going in with the Gershon polygel in shade 004. I love this polygel because it's the perfect nude for me. And if you guys are interested in this one, I do have a link to it in my Amazon storefront. So that's linked down below, but it's in a polygel kit, I believe. I'm not sure if they sell it individually, but if you're around my tone and you're looking for like your perfect nude polygel, I would definitely recommend this along with some others, but Gershon 004 is one of my top 5s for sure. So when applying polygel to your soft gel full nail covers, you want to make sure that you're hitting wall to wall. When you're looking straight down at your nail cover, you could think that you have the surface fully covered, but you want to make sure that you're, angling it, making sure that your full nail cover is covered wall to wall with the polygel, and you also want to make sure that your cuticle area is flushed and that it doesn't have as much polygel as the rest of the full nail cover. So all I'm doing here is I'm just going underneath the full nail covers and patting them out. I also want to mention that I am using UV/LED radiation protection gloves, fingerless gloves. These are very important if you do your nails often like me. I actually use both. I put on sunscreen and I put on these gloves because if you do your polygel nails or just any nails often and you're constantly putting your hand in that UV lamp, it can be very damaging and it can cause your hands to age prematurely. I do sell these in pink and white and they are also in my Amazon shop. But as you can see here, I'm just going in and I'm doing a few nails at once before I put my hand in that lamp. And this is just another preventative that's going to eliminate the time that your hand is constantly in that UV LED lamp. So it's really simple from here. I'm just doing the same method and I'm just going to let you guys watch me work. So now I'm going in with a lint-free wipe and some alcohol and I'm just rubbing my nails down because polygel can definitely leave a little bit of a sticky residue. So for my polish today, I'm using the Beetles gel polish in shade, I can't read that, 609, I'm not sure. But I'm just using a gold shade. I honestly wish I had to use another gold shade that was a little bit darker so it showed up more, but that's the only thing I would do differently. I use the Beetles thin line brush. You can purchase their nail art brushes from Amazon as well. But I'm going in now with an 8080 grit emery board. These are my favorite, absolute favorite. I love these emery boards, and these are also in my Amazon storefront. But using full nail covers is the best because it requires so minimal shaping. Like literally it takes me 5 seconds to shape off my nails and I'm good. And I'm not even really shaping, I'm just doing touch-ups where, you know, polygel may have slipped out or whatnot. But if you do have a problem with shaping like me, then definitely recommend using soft gel full nail covers because they just make life so much easier. So from here, it's super simple. I'm basically just doing a French line and that's it. I'm just doing a line as where my French would be ending. And that's really it, guys. This look is super simple, but it's super gorgeous. So, like I said, the only thing I would change is I wish I had a darker gold shimmery gel polish. I probably do. I just should have looked a little bit better, but that's all I'm doing. I also wanted to point out that if for cleanup, I'm just using that same polygel brush that I was using to apply my nails. And I'm just going to use that to kind of clean up in case my nail gets a little bit too thick or if I make a little error. And I'm just using that with alcohol. So super simple, super easy. I really do love Beetles gel polish. I think I have a discount code for the Beetles website if you guys are interested. But honestly, I'm not sure which one is cheaper. It might be cheaper for you to purchase it off of Amazon as compared to their direct website with my coupon code. I'm not sure. I have no clue. If you are interested in gel polishes, then in my Amazon storefront, I already have the Beetles gel polish kits that I use. And I'll leave my link down below so you can kind of compare and see which one, you know, suits you better. But yeah, super easy. All I'm doing is doing these lines and I will be back when I'm all finished. So here's what the final results are looking like. I'm going in now with some clear top coat gel polish. This is from Model 1s and I'm just topping off my nails. So now I'm going in with my cuticle oil sticks. These are amazing. These are like my favorite. This is my favorite part about doing my nails. I do sell these in my Etsy shop and I have them in 4 different flavors. And for today, I'm using the flavor strawberry. So it's super easy. I love these. I throw them in my purse. I like use cuticle oil sticks all the time. But here are the final results. Super simple, super minimalistic. I really love these nails. Let me know if you guys tried these out and how you like them. And thank you guys so much for watching. If you haven't already, please make sure you guys subscribe, like, follow me, and turn on your post notifications. Today is Monday, so that means that I will catch you guys on Thursday. I hope you guys have a great week. Bye.